Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some new items that I saw at the Five and Below store, and I'm going to share with you guys how I made over some of them to give them a little bit more of a high-end look. So Five Below now has a spot in their store where it's called Five and Beyond, where things are more than $5, but they're still cheaper than any other place that you would find them, like Walmart, Target, or Amazon. Some of these things are great and a good deal. Some of them are not the best, but it's still better than anywhere else. And so I'm gonna share with you the ones that I grabbed. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is a serving side table, which is basically kind of like a serving bar cart that I saw. I really like this one, and it's actually the most sturdiest one out of all the things that I'm going to share with you today. I will say that on the box you can see that the handle is on the side, but when you actually put it together you can see that the handle is on the back, which is kind of a bummer because it doesn't look like the picture, but I kind of like how it is this way, because when you go to decorate it and put your stuff on it, you can see the stuff better with the handle being on the back, and so I like it kind of better this way. Now you can keep it just like this and keep it black. I like things marble and black, so I decided to take some marble contact paper from Dollar Tree and put some marble contact paper on top of it to give it a more high-end look, and I love how it turned out. It just made this, all black serving cart a little bit more high-end looking, just adding some Dollar Tree $1.25 marble contact paper. And then this is how I have it decorated for the summertime. I'm super excited to have this bar cart and decorate it for the holidays. I can't wait to decorate it for fall, for Halloween, for Christmas, for Valentine's. I'm so excited to have this like serving bar cart now to decorate for all the holidays. This next item is a 3-tiered bamboo stand, and what's cool about this one is that you can actually break this one down. After you set it up, you can actually fold it and put it away, so it's not set in stone once you put it together that it is just like this and it stays like this. No, you can actually collapse it, fold it up, and take it anywhere with you. So I thought that was pretty cool. I actually got this for my sister, who is a massage therapist, and she tends to do different like fairs and stuff where she sets up her massage therapist bed and different items, and I thought this would be perfect for her to set up her like little tables where she has her things. But this would be perfect in any bedroom at home, or definitely in your bathroom if you need some stuff for your bathroom. I decorated it with some towels and some plants just to share with you guys just a kind of an idea of what you can do with this, but you can use this for multiple things. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys would use this for, how you guys would decorate it, how you guys would use it, because it is collapsible and you can fold it up and take it anywhere. This next item, I had so much high hopes for it because it looked so soft with the packaging, and I really wanted this stool to work, but unfortunately it did not. So this stool comes with these black legs, and as you can see guys, these are some really skinny legs and they're not very sturdy. They were really wobbly once I sat on it, and they bent really easy, so it wasn't the best, but I did want to share with you guys anyway, just in case you guys see it out there. Do not get it because it is not great. But what I am going to do is I did already paint the legs gold because I did want it, so I can't return it, but I do plan to get some other some other legs from Lowe's, paint that gold, and still keep the top part because the top is very soft. So I will let you know in a future video how that looks once I get some new legs for it. But definitely do not grab this unless you plan to put on some different legs on it like I do, because these legs were very flimsy and did not last. When I saw this clear accent table at Five Below, I was super excited because I've seen similar tables on Amazon go for like $50 to $100, maybe even more. And so the fact that I saw this at Five and Below for much less, I was super excited about it. But I didn't want to keep it just plain like this. I kind of wanted to dress it up a little bit to let it look a little bit more high end. I'm not really a fan of the clear look on the top. Some people might like it, but for me, I just did not like it. And I didn't like that there was nothing on the bottom, so I wanted to switch things up. So Dollar Tree always has these square kind of wood signs, kind of like this fake wood sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this square one and I'm going to cover it with the marble contact paper, the same marble contact paper that I used for the bar cart, and I'm going to put that on the bottom of the table. Now you can glue this to the bottom. I didn't. I just set it down there and it was fine. It just stays into place, but you can glue it down if you would like, but I didn't. Now to cover the clear tray on top, I wanted to give you guys a second option. You can use the same marble contact paper that I used on the bottom, or you can also use this marble vinyl top liner that you can get at Dollar Tree as well. This one has more of kind of like a rougher edge, kind of like a kind of like a tougher edge than the marble contact paper is more smooth. So if you wanted something with more of a grip to it for your tray, then this would be perfect for it. Although when you do use this one and you cut it to size and add it to the tray, it is 2 different marble designs. So if you're one of those people that have to have everything the same, kind of like I do, then you probably want to go with the marble contact paper for both, so that they match. That's what my daughter wanted. She actually wanted both the marble contact paper on the bottom part and the top, but I just wanted to give you guys the option of the vinyl top as well if you wanted something that had a little bit more of a grip to it on the top part where the tray part is when you're going to put stuff on it. I wanted to give you guys that option. You can use the vinyl top marble or you can use the marble contact paper. Either or, they both look really pretty. They both make this this table look high-end. My daughter loves it. It's actually in her room. It's her side table and she loves it, and it looks really pretty in her room. And I like when I can add just little touches from Dollar Tree to these Five Below items to make them look a little bit more high-end. This clothing rack, I was super excited to see it because I thought it was such a good deal at Five and Below, because I've seen it in Achy and other places for much more, and I thought this would be perfect for when I am doing my clothing hauls for you guys. I can have somewhere to put the clothes, but also my daughter's already eyeing this because she wants to use it for her room, kind of for her little TikToks and her little things as well. So if you need a clothing rack, this is perfect. It's not the most sturdy, but I think that it's great for the price that it is. It does come in black, but I wanted to actually spray paint mine gold because I plan to have this in my office. And like I told you guys before, my office / craft room is basically decorated in gold, pinks, and marbles, so I wanted to spray paint mine gold. But I wasn't a fan of the wire kind of shelves that they had at the bottom, so what I did was I took that marble contact paper and I basically covered some poster board and put it on top of the little wire shelves to give it a more high-end look. And then when it comes to the hangers, I didn't want to put any ordinary hangers. I wanted to put some fancy ones. So Dollar Tree does have these felt cover hangers that you can get 2 for $1.25. But you can also get a bigger quantity in the Dollar Tree Plus section, and that is $5 for 15. And also, if you can't find those in Dollar Tree, they also do have some at Walmart from the Better Homes and Garden, where you get a 30-pack with actually the gold hooks on them, which they're nice, but there are $1.47 more. But if you want the beige ones that are also the same brand as the Better Homes and Garden, the beige ones are only $9.98, which is actually 2 cents cheaper than the Dollar Tree Plus ones. And they also had it in pink, which I liked, and the hooks are actually a rose gold. So this is the one that I chose to get because it was much cheaper. It was 2 cents cheaper. And I like the way that pink and gold go together. Like I told you guys, my office and my craft room is that color. So is my daughter's room. So I decided to get this one, and I think they are so beautiful. They look so high-end. Like I said, it's pink and the hooks are rose gold, so it doesn't blend into the gold that I already spray paint. So it gives it a little bit, it kind of stands out a little bit from the gold. And I just love this for the clothes that I'm going to be, for using it as a clothing rack for the clothes I'm going to be sharing with you guys. But also I have some other organization ideas to use this for that I'll be sharing with you guys in another video, so stay tuned for that. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which item was your favorite, and let me know if you guys have been finding any new things in the Five and Beyond section at Five and Below so that I can check it out. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.